Want to transform a bright sunny day into a dramatic night scene? In this Photoshop tutorial, I'm going to show you a simple yet powerful way to turn day into night. Stay with me, and by the end of this video, you'll master this stunning effect in just a few steps. To follow along, you'll need the same images I'm using, which you can download from the link in the description below. Let's get started. First, click on the adjustment layer icon and select Hue Saturation. Drag the saturation slider to the left, setting it to -65 to tone down the colors. Next, head back to the adjustment layer icon, and this time, choose Color Lookup. From the Properties panel, open the 3D LUT dropdown and select nightfromday.cube. Now let's make the image even moodier. Go to the adjustment layer icon again and select Levels. In the Levels panel, drag the lower input slider to about 115 to darken the highlights. Then adjust the top slider to 0.85 to soften the brightness a bit more. Now for the magic part. Click on the background layer and grab the Quick Selection tool. Select the sky area carefully. Once your sky is selected, enable the Night Sky layer, click on it, and then click the Layer Mask icon. Instantly, the night sky appears over your daytime photo. And just like that, you've turned day into night with just a few easy adjustments. If you found this tutorial helpful, give it a thumbs up, and don't forget to hit that subscribe button for more Photoshop tips and tricks. Check out the links below to download the resources and share your results in the comments. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.